Okay, let's read on. What is up, you guys? Welcome back into another video. Today, I am here with my helpful friend here, and that's the hint of the video. So, guys, let me tell you something. Me and Goku and me and Ultra Goku have exciting news today because this guy right here, if he wants, he can say hello to YouTube. He's recording too. So, yeah, hold on, let me bring the light to me. It's too bright. So, guys, yeah, this is what I recorded. Yeah, this is what it. I'm gonna put this away for now. And yeah, so guys, thanks to Jaden for helping me log into, help me get my account back from Isaac, because I'm not Isaac's friend anymore. He's very, very, very evil, guys. You should unsubscribe to him. Yeah, guys, you think he's the best YouTuber, but he's actually not. Oh wow, I never seen this in screen recorder. Anyway, this guy is not a good YouTuber, guys. When he doesn't record, he hacks. All he does is hacks. That's all he does. He's literally worse than John Doe, worse than any hacker on Roblox. This dude, Benny Isaac Olivia, worst hacker. And that's not what about the video is. The video is about Jaden right here, aka Ultra Goku. He is the bestest friend I have ever had. Don't worry if Lionel is just Mixer's watching this, or any of my favorite YouTubers are watching this. Guys, not you. All of you are my first best friends. Everyone here watching this video is my first best friend, and I just want to thank Jaden so much for helping me get my account back. And I'm never gonna be so mean to him ever again. We used to have fights, but it's not gonna happen anymore because he's very, 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 very helpful. You should go subscribe to him instead of Isaac, because he's not a helpful friend. And I can tell that he's listening to me, and I can tell that he likes what I'm saying, because I mean it, and he deserves for being my friend, and I deserve helping him. So I should be more helpful to him, and he should be more helpful to me, and then we're both going to be very good bros forever and ever. And also, you guys who are watching this video, some of you are giving love for the Shark Gaming TV to come back. I wish it came back, but it's permanently banned. But I hope YouTube gives it back with all the subscribers. Maybe, yeah, they won't have their subscribers back because YouTube deleted it. So guys, thank you. Yeah, and we created a verification code so this brat won't hack my account anymore. And I mean it. Yes, guys. This group is for everyone to join. It's for everyone. This is for everyone, and now I'm using this one that Jaden is giving me. I would like to thank Jaden so much. And okay. I think it's called wait, what is it called again? Oh yeah, Ultra Shark Gamers. Okay, now we search that up, and guys, oh my god, Ultra Shark Gamers grew a lot. And guys, that's my video I just made. 35 subscribers. Why not? I should subscribe. 36 now, guys. The Ultra Shark gamers are growing. And yeah, so Ultra Goku, and with Shark's team are the best. Avram, aka Johnny, Jackie, and Avi channel. They're the Dragons team, but Dragons suck. Sharks are better. Sharks are better. Sharks are better. And Ultra and Goku is better. So guys, this is the announcement that I really mean. And guys, please enjoy this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and peace, guys. Let Jaden say peace to us too. What? Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Peace, guys.